This is the LC male to LC female single mode fiber attenuator, 3 decibels. This single mode fiber attenuator makes field terminating fiber fast and easy. To install, simply plug your fiber cable connector into your attenuator. Now connections can be made in seconds. The epoxy-free termination can be done on almost any job site. It is suitable for both 1310 nm and 1550 nm operations. Now available in several dB increments to fit your installation needs. The LC male to LC female single mode fiber attenuator is the perfect solution for all your cabling projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.